Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Findlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin. For those of you who don't know me, my name's NaomiFindlay.com and I work with people on selling their homes for more. I work on leveraging property presentation and styling to get people the biggest possible return on investment when they're looking to sell, rent, or have their homes revalued. So obviously a hot topic at the moment is whether we have all our Christmas decorations around when we're selling our house. So I'm going to give you my big point of view on that, and then we'll take some questions later because I know it's a bit of a hot topic. So from my perspective, it is the season to be jolly, and we're selling houses all year round nowadays. And so it is a little natural to walk into a home that has Christmas decorations up, and that's absolutely okay. But one thing that it's really important to remember, so here are, I guess, the pros and cons. One of the cons could be that they could be religiously polarizing. In the really diverse community that we live in now, it could be quite polarizing from some people's perspectives to have Christmas decorations up. And it could also be a little bit polarizing from a styling perspective, because not all Christmas decorations look stylish and appropriate. Another con is that sometimes they can be seen as clutter, which, it sounds a little bit bar humbug, but really sometimes Christmas decorations could be a little cluttered. And if you have a tree the size of this one or bigger, it can take up a little bit of functional space as well. So it could skew the way that a buyer looks at the space and the way that a buyer understands the space and how to use the space. All that being said, my huge but comes in now. All that being said, a week out from Christmas, a lot of people might feel when they're inspecting a home a little strange if there's absolutely no Christmas decorations at all. And so I think it's a real balance. So here are my golden rules that I recommend to all my clients and that we absolutely stick by. So the golden rule is that, if it's something you'd usually do in your home, absolutely still have Christmas decorations in your home. I definitely wouldn't strip your home of Christmas decorations just because you're selling. However, I would make sure that they're minimal, that they're stylish, and that they're not too gaudy and polarizing. And the other thing that I would absolutely suggest is when you're having your photos taken, that you have no Christmas decorations in there. So I understand that could be a real lot of work for you, because if you're about to be going to market now, you probably already have your house decorated. But I would, for the purposes of photos, I would absolutely strip it bare of Christmas decorations when you're getting your professional photographs taken, and then redecorate it so that if you have people inspecting your home, they get that warm, lovely, inviting Christmas feel to it. So it's a fine line and it is a bit of a contentious issue, but one thing that you can guarantee yourself is that if you do strip your home of decorations for your professional photographs, you then have them for longevity. So you have them for after Christmas, after the 12 days of Christmas, if that's your tradition in your family. You have those photos that you can then keep using for advertising. Because if your house was still on the market at the end of January or February, it may look a little unusual having a house absolutely full of decorations up on the internet. So they are my top tips, guys. Don't ignore the silly season. Enjoy, embrace it, but make sure you do it in a really tasteful way. And make sure that you don't spend all that money on professional photographs for them to be useless after Christmas. Thanks for the hearts, guys. So we've just launched our new website, NaomiFindlay.com. Head over there and there's a free 5 video series that you guys can opt into and some great freebies. all about selling your homes for more. Because remember, every dollar that you put in, I want you to be getting $3, $10, $15, $20 back. So have a fantastic silly season. I'm not sure I'll be with you next Friday for my favorite Friday tip, given that it's Christmas. So, Merry Christmas, everyone, and decorate away. And if you're selling, still decorate away, but just in a stylish way. Bye, guys.